Hey guys, S2 here, and in this video I'm going to talk about one of the most common questions I run across in programming threads, and that is, what is the highest paid programming language to learn? I have a lot of opinions about this. My short answer is maybe C++, because it's the most kind of optimized specialized language, and with specialization comes slightly higher pay. But if you're going to put them in like tiers, with like S tier being ultra highest paid, and then A tier, B tier, C tier, I would say just learning C++ is probably C tier. Whereas learning Python, Java, JavaScript, front end development, any of those things, probably C minus tier, and then Cobalt and Fortran and Golang and Rust. Maybe people are gonna hate on me for saying anything about that. Probably D tier. The reason there's not a lot of Golang and Rust primary applications, so that's kind of iffy to learn. If I were to learn any programming language, ultimately just learn the best one that helps you understand concepts of computer science, because those are the concepts that are actually going to drive you to higher pays. Understanding like data structures, system design, creating logical and maintainable code, having strong problem solving skills, recursion, stacks, queues, all those fun things, which are part of data structures and algorithms. Being really thorough in that and understanding how to apply data structures to solve problems translates between languages. And because of that, if you develop those skills even more, in addition to being really good with like C++ syntax or Python syntax, where you understand list comprehensions and generators and good object-oriented fundamentals, and then on top of that, you add in understanding frameworks and other computer science systems like SQL, queues, message queues like RabbitMQ, AWS tooling and the AWS queues in that, SQS, and then understanding notification systems, metrics, monitoring, system reliability, keeping things simple and maintainable, understanding failure breaks, things like that. And then even more frameworks, like the whole full stack system, where you have HTML page, some JavaScript, some backend maintenance, the communication between the two, some dependencies, understanding how reliable the communication between your service and their service needs to be with each other. As you improve these aspects of software development and engineering, that's when you really get into the A tier pay range. And then to get into the S tier, you got to throw in things like soft skills, like good communication, good ability to goal set, prioritize things, come up with estimates, be able to advise managers, deal with technically complex problems, going above expectations. So if you're just asked to make a simple front end component, make a whole web page or something. That's a bad example. I can't come up with one on the spot, and given that I'm improvising this, that's what I came up with. But yeah, include those soft skills, those leadership abilities, being able to invent and simplify things, go above for customers, have customer obsession, be able to think big about systems. These are all part of the Amazon leadership principles, and you can Google those and look more in those. So be a leader, understand software, understand system, be real good at your programming language of choice, minus Python and secondary JavaScript. And then after that, Java and C++ I'm pretty good in. And all of those things together lead to S tier pace. So again, if you're asking the question, what is the highest paid programming language? I think you're asking the wrong thing. And instead you should be asking, how do I develop my skills to become a great software developer or a software engineer? Don't worry about pay. That should not be your first focus. Worry about, solving problems for a lot of people at scale. And as you're able to do that better and being aware of customer needs and the market has determined that your skills are valuable, the pay will just naturally come. So be a leader without a title and work really hard to develop those skills that allow you to become a software developer and create software that impacts a lot of people's lives in a positive way. And then you'll get those S-tier pays. All right, thanks for watching.